Dear friends, welcome to Smart Furniture Smart Home. Today in this video we are covering latest master bedroom ideas 2021 and tips and accessories to help you design your dream home. Waking to your master bedroom around evening time or arousing there toward the beginning of the day, what sort of stylistic theme do you wish would welcome you? At that point we are prepared inspirational bedroom ideas plus tips and accessories to help you design your very sweet home. Create an inverted art gallery. Black and white photographic prints and paintings are an ideal accessory for a black room. Art galleries may typically present these on white walls, but a black display wall looks twice as striking. Zone with color. If the space is too small to take a room divider or screen of any kind, then you can create a visual divide by using two different color wall paints. Matching the wall shelves and furniture finishes to the relevant wall color strengthens the divide. If you're going to have a black bedroom, then you have to consider lighting as part of the plan. Install too little illumination and you might find yourself left in the shade. LED strip lights present the perfect solution for edging furniture. Attach them along the perimeter of the headboard and around the bed base for a truly inviting and cozy look. Fashion a headboard feature wall out of black storage cabinets. These black slab-fronted units appear like a contemporary paneled wall behind the platform bed. If fashion is your thing, then make it your whole world. Or open-fronted or clear glass closet will display your treasured pieces 24/7. The look with fashion-themed posters or paintings. Another way to get lots of light into the back of a dark room is by installing a closet with glass doors. By day, the glass will reflect natural light from the window. By night, the closet can be a light box, where LED strip lights glow from the garment rails and shelving. If you find a particularly striking piece that you'd love to display in the room, then let its colors inspire the decor. A small color insert works wonders in a dark scheme. Notice how the bookcase in this room also adds relief in the blackness. Bring in industrial style ideas. Raw concrete and exposed brickwork are just the ticket for an industrial chic outcome. Team with luxury furniture and gold accents to juxtapose the gritty backdrop. Spacious bedroom with wardrobe has been achieved by moving the bed into the center of the room. An extended headboard design doubles as a room divider. The bed with colorful piece. Black bedroom as a neutral home for hard-to-match items. Cut through the darkness with a slice of white or cream. This textured niche with recessed lighting completely changes the dynamic of the room. A partially dividing wall can be formed out of a back-to-back headboard and a bookcase arrangement, or similar. You can use the space behind the bed as a dedicated study, or install a freestanding bathtub as a luxury ensuite. Thread a common color or two through both areas for a cohesive look. The addition of a modern chandelier to a bedroom will instantly up its glam factor. But maybe reconsider something else that you probably already have in your bedroom. When hanging curtains, hang them closer to the ceiling. If you're lucky enough to be building a new dream bedroom from scratch, consider incorporating a courtyard garden. The courtyard will invite extra natural light into the room, and you'll feel the revitalizing effects of having nature surround you. Taking garden views to the extreme. These floor-to-ceiling windows run the full length of the room and an outdoor plant bed. The botanical view paints the room green, like a living wall mural. Patterned to perfection, this gray bedroom uses stripes, hexagons and concrete to provide a canvas for autumnal hues. Bright copper pendant lights and olive green are set upon by pops of yellow, blue and black in a rug and ornaments. Wooden walls provide the perfect canvas for couples. Accompanied by gray, white and a large square window, paneled shafts add a contemporary feel to an otherwise basic bedroom. Thanks for watching Smart Furniture Smart Home. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You can find a subscribe button under video or on a channel's page. Once you subscribe to a channel, any new videos it publishes will show up in your subscriptions feed. You may also start getting notifications when a channel you subscribe